Oh yeah, what's going on YouTube? Nick here, the Rideshare Hacker, coming at you with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use the Lyft Driver app. Now, my name's Nick. I've been a Lyft driver for over a year and 9 months now. Let me put this down a little bit, my steering wheel. Been a Lyft driver for over a year and 9 months now, and I drive in the Boston, Massachusetts market. And I want to make a video. I know a lot of people are asking a lot of questions about how to use the Lyft Driver app. So I want to make a video and show you exactly how to do it. So in a minute, I'm going to start a screen recording, and you'll see it right over here. And then we'll go through the app. We'll show you everything that you need to know about the Lyft Driver app. Before I get started, my subscribers, I appreciate you guys so much for subscribing, watching my videos, and following me and supporting me on this journey. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you do so, because this is the home of the dash cam giveaway, where every single month I'm going to be giving away a free dash cam. It's a $200 dash cam. It is the Vanture N2 Pro dash cam. It's got a nice HD front camera, and then also in the back, it's got, for the inside the cab, it's got a swivel HD camera as well. That's a $200 camera, guys. I'm going to be giving that away every single month once we hit 1,000 subscribers. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe and click the bell so you know when I'm doing the giveaway. Okay, enough being said. Thanks for listening, and now let's get to the screen recording. So let me start this up, get this going. Okay, we're recording, and right now what you see is the Lyft Driver app. I'm actually on. I'm not going to turn it off, but up in the top in the middle, you can see the little icon there. And you see blue, or I think it's purple actually. I'm colorblind, by the way, so blues and purples mix, and I don't always know what color it is. But as you can see, it says 5 drivers before you. You can see the little plane right under my face, so that shows you that you're in the airport queue. And what that means, so I can click on this, so Boston Logan International Airport queue, and it tells you where I am in line. So for Lux, I'm number 6. For Lux Black, I'm 3. Lux Black XL 3, and Lyft XL 6. So my vehicle does qualify for all categories of Lyft. I turn off the economy modes, which I'm going to show you right now. You go down, so you click your face up top in the left, and then down below you're going to click on the vehicle, and then you click your vehicle. And now right now you can see in the middle, I'm all ride premium only. I could choose all ride types if I want to do economy rides. That's Lyft regular and Lyft shared, which I don't. So I'm going to stay in premium only. Because if I change this at all, I will definitely lose my spot in line. I don't want to do that right now. So back to the beginning. Now you can see the 42 ride challenge down here on the bottom. Obviously you see in the map where I am. All right, we can zoom out a little bit, and then you can also zoom back in, just like you would on any phone, any smartphone. We can bring up the menu here. So 42 ride challenge. I'm 1 ride out of 42 so far this week. My weekly goal is like 1,500. I'm not even close. Down below that, you can see Tuesday, the demand in Boston, Mass. It shows you the time and the demand for the day. And then between 3 to 4 p.m., you're gonna earn some points. So, and looks like there's a little bell icon here. I can turn on the reminder if I want to. I typically don't do that. Maybe you do. By the way, if you're a Lyft driver, go ahead and comment yes in the comments. And if you're not, please comment no. I just want to know who's here, who's looking. Maybe you're someone that's already started to drive and you just need more help with the app, or maybe you're thinking about driving and you want to know how to use the app. And if you are thinking about becoming a driver, go ahead and use my link in the description below. And anybody that uses my link to sign up and drive, I give free coaching. So you'll have my personal number, my email, and you can reach out to me. I'll answer any questions that you have. I'll even give you, we'll have a phone call or a FaceTime appointment, and we'll just talk about what you're doing, where you live, just give you some starting tips to get going. And then also I'll be there to help you if you have any other questions or need any other help along the way. All right, my battery's low. So, and then if I don't cover any questions that you're looking for in this video, please put that in the comments as well. I'll be sure to address it. So that is that. You know what, my power's running down, but I guess I'll just keep it as it is. I'm not going to plug it in because, all right. And then next down, you can go to Lyft Rewards. So it looks like I'm a platinum member. Let's see what, I don't usually do this. This is kind of new here. So redeem 500 points to get $5 cash. So let's get some cash. Can I do, how much can I get? I can get $60 cash. Whoa. Yeah, I'm taking the cash. I don't even know what the other options are. Wow, I just got $60. I didn't even know about that. Hey, that's Lyft Rewards for you. I'm done. Yes, awesome. Now I have a 453 balance. Okay. So what else are we going to get with the Platinum Rewards? Let's keep going, right? Like, this is a section I don't really get into much, but let's see. Redeem points for cash. Yes, we did that. Redeem points for ride credit. So I guess you could redeem points for ride credit. Get $6 ride credit for 500 points. Okay. I guess if you want to take trips, right? $70 off of AT&T phone plan. I guess that's pretty good. What do you guys think? Does anybody have AT&T? I don't. I have Verizon. Verizon has been the best for me. Like, typically I don't want to go with anyone else. I've been with Verizon for a long time. I get good service. But lately it's been a little spotty. And then I've also kind of noticed it's only in certain spots that it does happen. I don't know. $70 off your phone plan sounds pretty good. I don't know what the phone plans are, how much they cost for AT&T, but that's a really good deal. See trip info before accepting a ride. I would love this one. Get the direction and length of a trip before you accept the ride. 90% acceptance rate required. I've been pretty bad about that lately. So I got to get up to 90%. That's what I want to do. I definitely want to get up to 90% acceptance rate so I can see the trip info. I don't know what's in it yet. It could be really good. 5% gas back on gas. So if you get their card, I haven't got their card yet because I get a direct link, direct pay to my account. But maybe I'll get that. I'm not going to do that in this video, but I think that's something that's worth it. And save on TurboTax self-employed. How much? I'll check that out later. It's almost tax time. Free Allstate roadside assistance. Get free roadside assistance, including fuel delivery, a lockout, flat tire, and dead battery services. Help is available 24/7. Restrictions apply. I don't know what that is. I get that on Geico, but I'm not sure. So, and to stay on Platinum, earn 1,700 more points to keep your Platinum Rewards through May 1st. So I still have Platinum Rewards. That's really good. That's really awesome, guys. I didn't even realize that. Okay, so when you want to go into your menu, upper left is always your menu. We can view the profile. It doesn't really tell us much there. We'll go to the dashboard, and we'll see what we got going on here to talk about, right? So right up top, you can see your earnings so far today, $91.28. That's today. Is that today? That's this week and today. I guess they're the same. I don't know about that one unless I got a huge tip from that guy because I only did one ride. But I think I had some work yesterday. So I think that number's off. Oh, and then down below you can refer your friends. This is a good thing, guys. So if you're thinking about becoming a driver or you're thinking about making more money as a driver, a great way to do it is to invite your friends. Share it on Facebook, share it in your emails to your contacts. You're on my channel right now. I use social media. I'd love to use social media. People sign up. Yeah, you get a bonus. Like, I get a bonus for anybody that signs up and drives in Boston. I get 500. I get extra bonuses I get other bonuses for people that in other cities, but it's not as much. But it's a great way to earn extra money, right? And that's why I say I always give away a free dash cam for anybody that signs up with me in Boston. That's only in Boston. And I also do free coaching for anybody that signs up with me as well. So, but those are the bonuses that you get. You know, it's hard to get them for doing nothing. I try to offer value. I mean, I'm doing these videos. I don't make any money off the videos except for trying to provide value to you. And so when you sign up and use my link, it really helps me out. It helps, me be able to afford to be able to do these videos, take the time out of my day to do this kind of thing. So, and you can do it too. I mean, if you just ask your friends, if you're making good money and you like making the money that you can make with Lyft. By the way, if you want to see how much I make with Lyft, click on the little icon up above me here, and then right above me, and then you can see how much money I actually make with Lyft if you're interested. Okay, but let's go. So that was refer your friends, right? So was that dashboard and refer your friends, but we want to go back to this dashboard. Yeah, okay. So refer your friends. Okay. So now we're going to go to driving history, and I'll show you real quick how much money I've made. We'll go back. We'll do 3 weeks. I'll go back 3 weeks real quick. So you can go into your driving history. You can see what you made. Let's see what I made last week. I did $632 last week. Week before that, I think I did more. Yep. 648. So just about the same. So I'm doing that about every week. I also drive with Uber, so earnings will be a little different. And then I did 1,100 this week, the week before that. So as you can see, it's a little, all over the place, but average probably 600 to 1,000 every week. No scheduled pickups. You can see that there. We can go down for help. You can upload your documents right there. And you go to pay info, but we don't need to see that one actually. And I can cut that out. Amp your settings. There's my number. If you need to reach out to me, you have any questions, please feel free. Texting is the best way if you need to. Looks like you can get jobs at Lyft. You can choose the way you share your data. You can choose your navigation. So under settings, some people might be wondering about how you change your navigation. You go under settings, and then there it is. You can click on navigation, and you choose which one you want. So I think here I can choose Google Maps, or I can use Lyft navigation with Google Maps. So it's like the same thing in Lyft. That's probably the best way to go if you use Google. Just use it within the app. I use Waze. I just like Waze better. So both Uber and Lyft, I have them both set to Waze. So when I use the navigation. Other than that, guys, I don't know what else. Let's go over here to dashboard again. There's a driver dashboard, so I want to get into this as well. Driver history, driver info, vehicles, tutorials, rate card. This is I like this rate card down here because you can really see. Oh, guys, and by the way, I'm going to try and throw in some footage later of me actually accepting a ride and show you what that's going to look like, and show you the different options as well. Because you can decline it, you can accept it, and cancel it. There's a couple different things going on. But here's Boston. This is my rate card. This is where I drive typically. And then you can pick different ones here. You can go to shared. You can go to Lux, Lyft XL, Lux Black XL. Yeah. So that's really it for this stuff, guys. You can click on tax information. You can get your tax info. You can download your tax info, right, and you can download that right to TurboTax too. Payout, way bills, settings, driver referrals, passenger referrals. Like, I don't have any passenger referrals. I have some driver referrals if you want to see. Oh, it doesn't give me that stuff there. Okay. Connected services. I have no idea what this is. Connect with your official partners and elevate your Lyft experience. I don't know what these are. Oh, Freebird. Use Lyft to drive customers to your door today. Oh, okay. So Freebird's actually pretty good. What else we got here? No, that's not the one. And then gift cards. Let's see what gift cards is all about. No, I don't want to purchase a gift card. And let's go to help. What can we get with the help? Lyft help. How can we help? Lost and found for passengers. Report a safety incident or citation. How and when driver pay is calculated. Service animal policy. I'm not going to go into all this stuff, guys, but here it is when you want to see it. Riding with Lyft. Fees and charges. Request a ride. Okay? You can go through all that. Driving with Lyft. Requirements and applying. Insurance and accidents. Driver safety. State and city driver info. Pro tips. How to give rides. Cancellations and tolls. Express Drive. Rental car program. Popular places, ride types, earnings, and promos. So you can really go through this and find everything that you're looking for down there and help. Airport info, regulations, all that good stuff. Guys, check out my videos if you need more information, by the way. Go to my channel page. There's tons of videos there talking about all this stuff. How to give rides. I want to see what this is. Lyft. How to give rides. Lyft Driver App. They don't give us a video. There should be a video right there. I'm going to do a video on that, how to accept rides. Guys, that's really it for right now. If you have any questions, definitely put them in the comments below. I appreciate you watching. Use my link to sign up. Give me the thumbs up if you like the video. Other than that, I'll see you on the next video. Peace.